Alright guys, time for a new RC. Just about to take a trip up to Wireless Madness, pick up a new truck. All the ladies say that size matters, and you know what? In the world of crawling, they're not wrong. Check out this bad boy. The Traxxas TRX-6. Just picked this up from Wireless Madness up in Lancashire. Took a nice run up there, best price on the internet. Let's open it up. Oh yeah boys, excited about this man. It's a monster looking truck. I reckon it's going to be absolutely wicked once it's out the box. Can't wait to get running with it. Break the seals. Traxxas transmitter. Oh yeah. Oh, mate. Mate. Oh. You know what? Looking at it. Oh, it comes with lights. Oh, nice one. I mean, for the price point, it's to be expected, to be honest. I mean, what, 750 quid I think I paid for this? Nice to get it looking, see what it looks like. So as with all my TRX4s, I always take a little chunk just out the battery compartment, just so the battery's fitting nicely. The reason I went for the grey is someone told me that apparently when the paint scratches off, it shows an undercoat kind of through, so the scratches show up nicely. Painted black. I like the way the fenders are done black instead of stickers. Let's get the lights on. Gotta admit, that looks absolutely stunning. Wow. Jesus, let's get some close-up shots. Just a little tip for you. One thing I like to do is I like to make these one finger controls for the Traxxas transmitter. All you use is a Velcro strap, some of these Armour composite ball cups, the long one, 2 washers, the same thread as a tripod screw, just screws right into the bottom. There you go, job's done. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you'll see it. Hopefully we'll get out tomorrow with this truck. You'll see it running. These as well. So thanks for watching. Stay safe.